Selena, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. Sum number 18. On a map drawn to the scale of 1:20,000 of a rectangular plot of land A, B, C, D, has AB 24 cm, BC 32 cm. Calculate first part the diagonal distance of the plot in kilometers. Second part the area of the plot in square kilometers. Scale 1:20 cm means 1 centimeter represents 20,000 centimeter. When converted into kilometers, divide by 1000 into 100, which is equal to 0.2 kilometer. First part, AC square is equals to AB square upon BC square, which is equal to 24 square plus 32 square, equal to 576 plus 1024, which is equal to 1600. AC equal to 40 centimeter. Actual length of diagonal 40 into 0.2, which is equal to 8 kilometers. Second part, find the area of plot. 1 centimeter represents 0.2 kilometers. Therefore, 1 centimeter square is equals to 0.2 into 0.2 kilometer square. Area of rectangle ABCD is equals to AB into BC, which is equal to 24 into 32, equal to 768 centimeters square. To convert actual area of the plot will be 0.2 into 0.2 into 768, which is equal to 30.72 kilometers square. Sum number 19. The dimension of the model of a multi-story building are 1 meter by 60 centimeter by 1.2 meter. If the scale factor is 1:50, find the actual dimensions of the building. Also find, first part, the floor area of a room of the building. If the floor area of the corresponding room is a model is 50 square centimeter. Second part, the space volume inside a room of the model. If the space inside the corresponding room of the building is 90 centimeter cube. The dimensions of the building are calculated as below. Length 1 into 50 meter is equal to 50 meters. Breadth 0.60 into 50 is equal to 30 meter. Height 1.20 into 50 is equals to 60 meters. Thus, the actual dimension of the building is 50 meters into 30 meters into 60 meters. First part, the floor area of the room of the building is 50 into 50 upon 1 the whole square, which is equal to 1,25,000 centimeters square. Convert into meters, divide by 100 into 100, which is equal to 12.5 meters square. Second part, volume of the model of the building, which is equal to 90 into 1 upon 50 the whole cube, which is equal to 90 into 1 upon 50 into 1 upon 50 into 1 upon 50, equal to 90 into 100 upon 50 into 100 upon 50 into 100 upon 50 centimeter cube, equal to 720 centimeter cube. Sum number 20. In triangle PQR, L and M are 2 points on base QR such that angle LPQ is equal to angle QRP and angle RPM is equal to angle RQP. Prove that triangle PQL is similar to triangle RMP. In triangle PQL and triangle RMP, angle LPQ is equal to angle QRP RP given. Second, angle RQP is equal to angle RPM given. Therefore, triangle PQL is similar to triangle RMP by AA similarities. Second part, to prove QL into RM is equal to PL into PM. Since triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Triangle PQL is similar to triangle RMP. Therefore, PQ upon RP is equal to QL upon PM is equal to PL upon RM. Therefore, QL, here this two part cross multiply, we get QL into RM is equal to PL into PM. Hence proved. Third part, to prove PQ square is equal to QR into QL. Given angle LPQ is equal to angle LPQ is equal to angle QRP, and angle Q is common. Therefore, triangle PQL is similar to triangle RQP. Okay. Therefore, sides are proportional. PQ upon RQ is equal to QL upon QP is equal to PL upon PR. Okay. Now, cross multiply. PQ square is equals to RQ into QL. Hence proved. Sum number 21. A triangle ABC with AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 6 cm and AC equal to 4 cm is enlarged to triangle DEF such that the longest side of triangle DEF is equal to 9 cm. Find the scale factor and hence the lengths of the other sides of triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is enlarged to triangle DEF. So, two triangles will be similar. Therefore, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Longest side of triangle ABC is BC equal to 6 cm. Corresponding longest side of triangle DEF is equal to EF 9 cm. Therefore, scale factor is equal to EF upon BC is equal to 9 upon 6 equal to 1.5. Therefore, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF equal to 2 upon 3. DE is equal to 3 upon 2 AB, which is equal to 9 upon 2 equal to 4.5 cm. DF equal to 3 upon 2 AC equal to 12 upon 2 equal to 6 cm. Sum number 22. Two isosceles triangles have equal vertical angles. Show that the triangles are similar. If the ratio between the areas of these two triangles is 16:25, find the ratio between their corresponding altitudes. Let ABC and PQR be two isosceles triangles. Then AB upon AC is equal to 1 upon 1. PQ upon PR is equal to 1:1. Angle A is equal to angle P given. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarities. Let AD and PS be the altitude in the respective triangles. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding altitudes. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PS the whole square. 16 upon 25 is equal to AD upon PS the whole square. Therefore, AD upon PS is equal to 4:5.